Before you call a plumber, watch this, because most clogged drains can be fixed in under 5 minutes with a simple trick. That slow water, bad smell, and hidden buildup inside your drain can be cleaned faster than you think. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. In this video, I'll show you a simple 3-step method to clear and deep clean your drain step by step. Let's fix it. Step 1. Remove blockage. First, remove the visible blockage from the drain. You can use a drain cleaning tool like a drain snake or hair remover. And the best part is, these tools are very easy to buy on Amazon and are super affordable. Insert the tool into the drain and pull out hair, food waste, and debris. This step can instantly improve water flow. Step 2. Brush clean. Now it's time for deep cleaning. Add shampoo onto a cleaning brush, then carefully insert the brush into the drain pipe. Move it up and down to scrub the inside walls of the pipe. This helps remove sticky dirt, grease, and buildup that tools alone can't reach. Step 3. Flush drain. Finally, pour water into the drain to wash everything away. Turn on the tap and check the flow. If the water runs smoothly, your drain is clean. If needed, you can repeat the process once more. That's it! A simple way to clean your drain and keep it flowing smoothly. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. See you in the next video.